geez, I hope they don't follow that line exactly. Chris, you have anything to drink this morning? All right, let's let the trenching begin. How our day started and how it's going. While Chris works the machine, let me explain to you guys what we're doing out here. We've got a long section of road, I'll throw the map up right here, where we need to cover from the road to the bushes. And in order for us to do that, we have to install 2 brand new zones. We also have to bring the wires from the controller at the back of the property here, around the corner into the valve location here. From there, we're going to install the lateral lines in the same trench and install the heads at the edge of the road. We're gonna let Chris and the rest of the crew finish this one. I've got to get off to another emergency repair, which I don't actually think is an emergency, but the customer does, so we're gonna head out to their house and fix a broken pipe. Maybe I'll get that in this video. If not, I'll see you on the next one. Well, would you look at that? Wires, main line, and a lateral line with the funny pipe sticking up, ready to go. Section 1 is complete. Well, with the exception of backfilling and installing heads, but section 1, complete.